Hello guys, hello kids, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to practice again to use our vocabulary, personality adjectives. Take out your notebook. Remember that in class we worked on the vocabulary. We learned what is an adjective and you copied an example for each of the words and you left a space for a drawing. I told you that we were going to use a drawing later on. Okay? So, the thing is that today we are going to do an emoji challenge. That means that you are going to create your own emoji for each of the drawings. Okay, let's see an example. What if for this emoji I want a shape like this and I want to put inside a yellow color? Okay, and now I have to create the face of my emoji according to the word. Mysterious. Okay, you can do better than me. I want you to work on each of the words and create your own emojis. That is all. Show me your notebook on next class. Okay, I'll see you. Bye-bye.